8 Best PERT Chart Software for Project Managers. Program Evaluation Review Technique or PERT chart is a tool used to organize, structure, and schedule project tasks for adhering to timelines and fulfilling each action item. Here is a list of some of the best PERT chart solutions available for you to try. 1. Adobe Express. Adobe helps you create a PERT chart by allowing you to choose an option from its pre-existing templates gallery and customize it per your needs. 2. Visme. Visme makes creating and editing PERT charts of all kinds easy on its website. Like Adobe, Visme allows you to create your design from existing templates. 3. Lucidchart. Lucidchart, a PERT chart generator software quite popular among project managers, helps you visualize and structure your project. 4. Creately. Creately is another collaborative, visual platform that helps you schedule, organize and map project tasks conveniently and quickly. 5. SmartDraw. SmartDraw is a PERT chart generator that offers intelligent formatting and multiple device access. It does most of the drawing for you, automatically building your PERT chart through simple commands. 6. EdrawMax. EdrawMax is an online PERT chart maker that helps you visualize your project better and evaluate time and resources for your team. 7. Kaku. Kaku helps you collaborate with your team in real time on defining tasks and time estimates to keep your project progressing smoothly. 8. Miro. Miro customizes your experience with the countless templates available on its website. The software has an easy setup that allows you to start without much effort. Choose what you like and get started. Conclusion: it is easier to prepare a PERT chart using the software mentioned in this video. The priority is to establish the tasks and define activities beforehand, with the help of the teams involved, so that you do not have to make significant alterations to your work as you progress. Thanks for watching.